So guys, when you're going in with your under eyes, because you want a highlight underneath your eyes, you're going to go in with a foundation, concealer or color corrector that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. So what this does is that it enhances your whole kind of cheeks, so it brings black. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a cream contour plus a contour with powder. I'm going to be giving you all the details, all the tea on what to do and how to do it, and all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, I decided to do like this whole kind of close-up video so that you guys can see the products I'm using, what I'm using, and how I'm using. Okay, honey, this is not for you. Say hello to the camera. See there, baby. Okay, you're gonna go to me. So guys, this is going to be a close-up video on how to contour. I'm going to be giving you all the details, all the tea, why you need to contour and what we are doing. So I'm just going to be showing you guys all the products that I'm going to be using first. So I've already got my foundation on. I have used the Maybelline Mousse foundation. It's so nice, it's very light onto the skin. Next, I'm going to be using, I generally do not use a concealer on my face. I like to use a concealer for my eyes. That is why I go with the concealer. My under eyes are not that bad. Foundation generally covers that up. So what I do is with this, I go and just apply a lighter shade of foundation. This is the foundation by Signature Cosmetics. The shade is African Rhythm. And then here what I do is I just dot it here, and then I blend it out into my skin. If you need more coverage, you're more than welcome to go in with a concealer or a more heavy duty foundation. So guys, when you're going in with your under eyes, because you want a highlight underneath your eyes, you're going to go in with a foundation, concealer or color corrector that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. That's why I went in with the African Rhythm, because it is still much lighter. You can go in with a concealer, as I said, it's more heavy coverage. If you have a problem underneath your eyes, you're more than welcome to go in with that. Next, we're going in with the Espresso. This is the City Girl Espresso coverage. What you do with this is that because it is 2 to 3 shades darker than my actual skin tone, I go in and I contour. Now, how you know where's your contour spot? Take a brush, go at the end of your ear. At the end of your ear, just run it down. Here as well, end of the ear, run it. And then that's what it's gonna look like for now. And now we're going to take the bottom of the beauty blender and we're going to buff it out. Initially it's going to look like a mess, but with your blending it's going to look so good. Now go in with the top of your beauty blender and just go in and blend everything together. Likewise on the side, top of your beauty blender, and just blend in everything. How we blend it so smoothly is because of the excess product from your concealer that you used. It just blends in with the top. That's why I told you use the bottom first, because you take in all the excess and then go in with the top and just do everything else. So that's what it's gonna look like. Now, why we need to use a powder kind of coverage over this. It's because number one is for more kind of coverage. If you have a problem with coverage, if you have a lot of marks, that's one. Number two, you need to set your face. So if you don't like an oily face like this, you need a matte face, or you like a matte face, or you want a matte face, that's what we're going to do. Number three is to emphasize the highlight and the enhancement of your face. All these areas are warm areas. This is a lighter area, so this is what highlights the area. This is what brings back the warmth on your face. So in that, it seals your whole face, not leaving you too bland, not leaving you too dark. So I generally go in with the Brighten Up by Essence. This is no longer being made, so I go in with this. You can use any brush, literally any brush, and just go in and dab a little under. If you use the cream underneath, when I say cream, I'm talking about the concealer or your foundation. If you use any kind of cream underneath, you don't have to go in with too much product thereafter, because it already penetrated through your foundation. Now, if you want, and you want a more kind of a snatch face, go in at the end of your ear, just place your brush and drag down. Drag down. This is what snatches your face here as well. Drag down. Now, I generally don't like to go in with a product for my contour here, just for my cheeks, because I feel this does justice and I don't want to look too snatched. But if you want, you can go in with a brush that is really fluffy. What you can do is add your color, whatever color you are deciding to go in with. Like, generally people like to use like a warmer kind of color, so you go in with your brush. You can use, as I said, any color, and just go in and add some more. So what this does is that it enhances. So what this does is that it enhances your whole kind of cheeks. So it brings black. I don't know what is going on with my words today. So guys, it just enhances your whole face, brings back the whole kind of lift, and also it brings back the warmth on your face. So guys, as you can see underneath the eyes, check. The contour, check. The snatch, check. If you want, what you can do is you can go out here, a rough edge. All you gotta do is just blend into the skin, like here as well. I generally like to leave it snatched, but like I just want to show you guys what you can do if you don't want to do it too snatched like this. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you learned something. I hope you understand. If you guys have any more questions, just leave it down in the comment section and I will be sure to answer it. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.